Hi, I'm Sarah from Lifestyle Vids. I'm here to show you how to create a listing on the eBay Australia website. Let's do it! So to create a new listing, first you're going to have to log into the ebay.com.au website, and then if you go to the home page, which is where I am now, you'll see at the very top right hand corner here, there's My eBay, and you can go to Selling Sold. Just wait for that to load. Okay, this is our seller hub, so it's got a lot of details here. It's got your last previous sales, it's got your existing listings, even has your feedback here. Hopefully you'll be getting some great feedback. We'll probably go into this a bit more later, but what we're doing today is creating that listing. So what we'll do is go to listings, create listing, and then we're going to type in the item that we want to sell. Today I am selling a Woodmere White House collection dessert plate. So we're just going to click on that. Now it's creating the draft. Got my spelling right there. Down here, condition, I'm going to put used. It was a little op shop buy I got for $10. Condition description, used but in great condition. No chips. Now I'm going to add photos. This is just going to take a sec. So as you're uploading photos, just check to see if there's any errors in the photos. Make sure they're the right product, that sort of thing. You may need to edit them and turn them the right way around, like that. Save. Almost forgot that bit. Need to turn this one around. You can also crop if you need to, but you can also do this before you actually upload it, and then it'll probably be a bit more straightforward. And then you want your main cover photo to actually be the best photo. So this is my cover photo. And I'm just dragging it so that becomes the first photo in the picture, and those will follow in order. And this was created, oh, we don't need those. I can go through this later, but just want to keep things a bit simple for the purpose of the video. I'm going to do a fixed price listing, good till cancelled. We want to start the listing straight away, and for the price I'm going to put $65, one item, and I'm going to let buyers make offers, which means that if somebody wants to give me an offer, I'll have an option to accept it or not, which may increase my chance of selling the item sooner. Now you can have an automatic item, but I'm just going to leave that blank. So you can set eBay to automatically accept what offers are made if they're over a certain amount, and to automatically decline those offers as well. But I'll just leave those blank for now. I've got PayPal as my only option for making payments, And then we're going to set a postage policy. This is probably a whole nother video, to be honest, so I'm just going to choose the domestic only option that I've got set here. Returns, I would personally do returns at the buyer's expense and within 30 days. I like to set those options because it gives that feeling of trust to buyers, that they believe that they can trust you, that you're going to be a good seller and have quality items as well. Here we have packaging options. So for this one I'm going to choose a mailing box, and I'm going to say that that's going to be 30 by 20, 30 by 30 by 20 centimeters. And custom weight, I'm going to put 600 grams. Okay. Your item location will automatically be set, but you can change it if you need to, but I don't think you should normally in normal circumstances. Now, promoted listings, so you can actually choose to put a promotion on your items, and when you sell that item, you will be charged a fee. That's something for another time also, and we'll also leave that one. So on my listing, it shows there at the fee section that there is a $0 charge. So that's my listing fee for this listing. So different types of listings do have potentially different types of fees. Bearing in mind, this one says $0, but that is on listing only. So once this item sells, a final value fee will apply to the listing. And you can find out what those fees would be by referring to eBay selling tables. So at the moment, we're just about to list the item. And congratulations, we've just listed our first item together on eBay. Going to click I'm done now, and that's going to bring us back to our home page. Thank you for watching. Hope this video helped you out. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos on eBay.